How are you watching this video right now? On a computer? A tablet? Your phone? The answer is you're watching it with your eyes. But there are 285 million other people in the world who can't see this video because they're visually impaired. 39 million of them are completely blind. Now, what if we told you that without intervention, those numbers are expected to double in the next 5 years? That means that there's a good chance that you or someone you know will develop a visual impairment, or even go blind. Of course, with early detection, many problems that lead to impairment and blindness can be corrected or at least mitigated. But not everyone has access to visual impairment detection systems. We're talking billions of people around the world who can't just go get their eyes checked. Standard visual field testing equipment is too expensive and too large to distribute on a worldwide basis. It's just not practical to bring this equipment to the very places that need them the most. The result? The economically disadvantaged and remotely located people don't get the diagnostic tools they need to prevent visual impairment and blindness. Further, because of the cost and limited availability of visual field testing equipment, even many of those in the industrialized world never get tested. Is it possible that unimpaired vision will only be a luxury afforded to those in Western civilization? And even there, only to those with good insurance and easy access to expensive visual field testing equipment? Will clear vision become only attainable to people who can afford it? We say, not on our watch. We are Ceeable, and together with Caltech, NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab, and the Doheny Eye Institute have developed a completely revolutionary way to identify and assess retinopathies for people around the world. It's called the Ceeable VFA, and it's going to completely change the way early detection of many blinding diseases occurs. Pretty much everyone says they have a revolutionary new way, but in this case, we mean it. Imagine a way to detect visual problems in the earliest stages of development, using only a tablet and an internet connection, and being able to interpret the results from anywhere in the world. That's exactly what the Ceeable VFA does. With nothing more than a low-cost tablet and an internet connection, healthcare personnel can go anywhere in the world and give comprehensive visual field tests to people who would otherwise never be able to get them. In the industrialized world, your regular doctor could use Ceeable VFA to quickly screen you for blinding diseases. Or the technology could be integrated into the convenient care clinic model that many large retail chain stores and drugstore chains have. It could even be used at home by patients themselves. The key is that CVFA is software-based and only requires a tablet and internet connection. The result is more vision testing, earlier detection and treatment, and fewer people going blind. How's that for revolutionary? What would you miss if you couldn't see? The loving eyes of someone close to you? The sunrise? The emotion of a piece of art? At Ceeable, we have a vision that everyone can have access to affordable screening so that fewer people have to suffer from preventable visual impairments or blindness. Ceeable, eye care, anywhere. To learn more, visit Ceeable.com.